Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your bike and maintain your bike. Little maintenance such as oiling your chain and cleaning your chain. So the first step is every week you should clean your bike. First use water which is shampoo water. Spray it thoroughly all over your bike as you see in this video. See, almost all parts of your bike you should spray, so that all the dust and the grease which is accumulated get softened by the shampoo. And why we use shampoo here is because we cannot use soap because soap is very hard as compared to shampoo. So most of the washers or bike washers and car washers use shampoo. So that's it. So spray thoroughly shampoo all over your bike. As I see all the small corners in the engine bay, the small parts such as the tire rims, the hub and the front wheel hub, all the small things you see. I personally use shampoo called as Tresemme, as it's quite soft as compared to other shampoos, and it gives foam. It gives a nice foam. See, you can see that. After spraying the soap water on all the small components, if you are still left with the soap water, just throw it on the tank and on all the major components you see, like I am doing here, because it's fun. So after watering your bike, use this brush to clean all the small components where your hand or the cloth does not go. Rub very thoroughly on the engine parts, as that part is where all the oil stains and the grease and all the mud accumulate the most. Most of the guys do not give attention to these parts, and the engine bay looks very ugly and it's not as clean as you want it to be. So wash it properly. Then with your bucket full of water and normal water and cloth, just wipe all the soap. After cleaning your bike, use this WD-40. You'll get this WD-40 in any hardware shop. Use this WD-40 to clean the chain and all the metal components which are joining in where, such as the carburetor joint, in the carburetor, the accelerator cable, the clutch cable, and the brake nut and all. So the procedure to cleaning the chain is just spray the WD-40 on your chain and wipe it with the brush, so that all the grease and all the dust particles just will get removed and you'll get a clean chain. But do not use your bike until you spray the chain lube on it, because if you use such a chain which is very clean and not oily, you will ruin your sprocket and the chain. So after finishing and cleaning your bike, cleaning your chain, let it drip, let the WD-40 drip away with all the mud and the grease. Till then we'll do polishing of our bike, and let's see how it is done. I am using this 3M polish for polishing my bike. The procedure is to first spray the polish on your tank or the component you have to polish, and spray some polish on the cloth, then wipe thoroughly. You can see this video to see how it is done. Till now all the WD-40 you have sprayed must be drained away, and now it's time to spray the chain lube for oiling your chain. The chain lube I prefer is Motul. Please use Motul as it is the best in class. Spray the lube evenly all over the chain while spinning the tire. Now your bike is ready to roll. So have fun. Comment down below what you like and what you didn't like.